So welcome back. In this lecture we will discuss multipath pruning, another important technique to improve your ability to search. So basically, as we're selecting a node from our frontier, we perhaps want to avoid considering that node if we've already found a path to it. In order to do this properly, what would we need to store? Well, if we are doing this, we can see that lowest cost first search with multipath pruning actually becomes Dijkstra's algorithm, which you should probably know from your discrete math course. And by the way, if you have A star and your heuristic function just says 0 for everything, that's the same as lowest cost first search as well. So we have, so far in our discussion of search, we maintain this set of nodes called the frontier, which is what we pick from when we decide, hey, what we want to expand next. Now, what you see here is maintaining a second set of nodes called the expanded set. And that's this guy right here. And it starts out as being empty. And so when we select a node from the frontier, we want to check if that node, or a path to a given node, NK, we want to check if NK has already itself been expanded. Have we examined it before? Because if we've done that, presumably we have the lowest cost to that node. Now, presumably, keep that in mind here, okay? So if we've already had the lowest cost to that node, then we don't want to bother expanding it. If it's not expanded, we add it to the expanded set and do our normal thing in the search. But here's the issue. Remember I said presumably that we know that we have the lowest cost to that node. But what if there is a lower cost to node N that we didn't investigate already? How could we be assured of this? And this is a little bit of nuance because remember, the criteria of admissibility doesn't give you this. The criteria of admissibility is just a lower bound to the goal, not to any node in the graph. So we need to make a stronger assumption about our heuristic function when we use A star to allow multipath pruning to work. So stay tuned and we'll find out how to do this.